Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Honda Civic window that is off track. First, you'll need to determine why your window came off its track. Next, gather essential tools such as screwdrivers, a 10mm socket wrench, and a trim removal tool. Then, carefully remove the interior door panel to expose the window's inner workings. This initial step is crucial for a successful repair, allowing clear access to all components. Once the door panel is off, thoroughly inspect the window regulator and motor for any signs of damage or wear. Look closely at the window tracks for any debris, dirt, or obstructions that might be preventing smooth movement. It's also important to confirm that the window glass itself is correctly positioned within its channels. Sometimes, a simple misalignment or a small object can cause the issue. Now, gently guide the window glass back into its designated tracks. You may need to loosen 10mm bolts on the front and rear tracks to allow for adjustment. Once the window is seated, test its up and down movement several times to ensure it operates smoothly. After confirming proper function, tighten all bolts, secure the window regulator, and carefully reattach the door panel, ensuring all clips and screws are in place. To prevent future issues, lubricate your window tracks periodically using a silicone spray or white lithium grease. This helps maintain smooth operation and reduces wear. Never force a window that feels stuck, as this can cause more significant damage to the motor or regulator. If you encounter complex electrical problems or persistent issues, it's always best to consult a professional mechanic for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.